Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can touch up a bit of your appearance in Zoom. So this feature is pretty cool as well, and you can see right now I'm already in the Zoom. So yeah, let me show you how you can do it. Okay, first of all, you see the video button down here. Alright, just click on the arrow on the right hand side, just click on it, and then you can click on here, video settings, just click on it. Okay, and you can see that there are a few options here. There's you can see here a video as well. I can mirror my video, so you can unmirror it or just mirror it. Alright, it makes no difference. It makes difference for you as a presenter when you see it, but for audience it will look the same. Alright, you look in the right ratio basically. Okay, so next is whether you want to touch up your appearance or not. So let me show you the difference. Let me just click on touch up my appearance. So as you can see, my pimples are all gone. So when I will just change it a little bit, they are back. Anyway, yeah, if you want to touch up appearance, this is how you can do it. You can just slowly do it like that, and you can see it's slowly gone. Okay, next is you can adjust for light as well. So for example, now you can see it's quite dark because I did not turn on my light. If I turn on my light, it will be like this, a bit brighter. So I did not turn on my light. Let me just turn off my light. So you can adjust for low light as well. Just click on adjust for low light, and you can see that it just brightens up the whole place. Alright, this is not a really recommended thing to do. It's still better to have a light, but this is, for example, if you don't have light, this is what you can do. Alright, you can add auto, you can just do manual. So manual, you can see, oh, it's damn. Okay. In manual, you can see, oh, it's very bright. So you can adjust accordingly. You can slowly adjust, and you can get darker and darker. This is for normal without anything. Alright, and this is when you slowly adjust it higher and higher and higher and higher, it becomes brighter and brighter and brighter. But of course, because this is manual adjustment using Zoom, the quality won't be that good when you do all this adjustment. So usually, it's still recommended to get a light. Alright, I hope this is helpful for you. So this is one way you can play around with Zoom. Hopefully, you can use it to touch up a bit of your appearance if you wanted to, and adjust for low light if you don't have light. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.